typing is not only essential if you have a job, in which you need to be efficient and reduce fatigue because you spend the working day sitting at a computer. If you use the computer to prepare your teaching sessions, exams, and evaluations of your students, if you use the computer to write the medical history of your patients, if you use it to write your recipes, your beauty secrets, your DIY projects, the care of your plants, your mechanic tips, the planning and chronicle of your travels, your sewing tricks, your weather reports, or if you use it to write your papers on the behavior of nanoparticles, you need to learn typing. And congratulations, you're in the right place. If you're enjoying the course, don't forget to give it a like. If you want to support the course and its continuity, send us a super thanks. If you have already done it, thank you very much indeed. You should also do a favor to people who still don't know how to handle the keyboard well, by sharing the video on your social networks. Since you need to learn typing, in the exercise of this lesson, we're going to practice how to press the letter P key. P. 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 Repeat mentally or aloud, if possible, the signs that you're typing. P. P. Before beginning the exercise, it's highly recommended to practice the movement of the fingers. P. L. Please practice keystroking the P and the L keys consecutively. P, L, P, L, P, L, P, L, P, L, P, L. Then the P and the H keys consecutive keystroke. P, H, P, H, P, H, P, H, P, H, P, H. Once you have internalized the movement of the fingers, you can start the exercise. Good luck! This video is a lesson from the Interdidactica.com typing course. You can register for free to record the results of your exercises, or you can also do them on your own. It's available in other languages and on different keyboards. If you're watching it on YouTube, you have the links to sign up, to start the course on your own, and to do this exercise in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and leave your questions and comments below. Enjoy learning!